Hello friends, welcome to my channel Think and Write. I'm back with another new video and my today's video topic is 10 lines essay on Swami Vivekanand in English. First of all, I hope you all are fine, good, happy and safe, and as you all know I make one drawing in every video. So here also I have made a drawing of a blackboard and now I am going to start writing. First line: Swami Vivekanand was born on 12th January 1863. Second line: he was a bright student and had deep interest in spirituality. Third line: he was the chief disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhans. Fourth line: he was a great spiritual leader and philosopher. Fifth line: he founded the Ramakrishna Mission in 1897. Sixth line: he introduced Indian philosophy and culture to the Western world. Seventh line: Swami Vivekanand inspired youth to develop self-confidence and discipline. Eighth line: he spread the message of Vedanta and yoga across the world. Ninth line: he taught the importance of service to humanity. 10th line: his birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day in India. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.